Hello friends, welcome to our channel Uttarakhand Tales. As you all know, Uttarakhand is called as Devbhoomi. It is very difficult to select 10 temples among the thousands temples. All temples in Uttarakhand has equal importance. But today we will be discussing the top 10 most popular temples in Uttarakhand. Number 1. The Badrinath temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Created by Adi Shankaracharya. The temple is located in Garhwal Hill Tracks in Chamoli district along the banks of Alaknanda River. It is open for 6 months, every year between the end of April and the beginning of November, because of extreme weather conditions in the Himalayan region. It is one of the most visited pilgrimage centers of India, having recorded 1,060,000 visits every year. Number 2. The Kedarnath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Located on the Garhwal Himalayan range near the Mandakini River in the state of Uttarakhand. Due to extreme weather conditions, the temple is open to the general public only between the months of April Akshaya Tritiya and November Kartik Purnima. During the winters, the deity from Kedarnath temple is carried down to Ukhimath, where the deity is worshipped for the next 6 months. Number 3. The Jageshwar temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, Vishnu, Devi, others. Jageshwar temples, also referred to as Jageshwar Valley temples, are a group of over 100 Hindu temples dated between 7th and 12th century near Almora, in the Himalayan Indian state of Uttarakhand. The valley has a number of temple clusters, such as the Dandeshwar and Jageshwar sites. Some locations have attracted construction of new temples through the 20th century. Together these clusters over the valley consist of over 200 structural temples built from cut stone. Number 4. The Gangotri temple is dedicated to Mata Ganga. Gangotri is also town in Uttarkashi district in the state of Uttarakhand, India. It is a Hindu pilgrim town on the banks of the river Bhagirathi and origin of river Ganges. According to popular Hindu legend, it was here that goddess Ganga descended, when Lord Shiva released the mighty river from the locks of his hair. Number 5. The Yamunotri temple is dedicated to goddess Yamuna and has a black marble idol of the goddess. The Yamunotri temple is a full day's journey from Uttarakhand's main towns Rishikesh, Haridwar or Dehradun. The actual temple is only accessible by a 13 km trek from the town of Hanuman Chatti, and a 6 km walk from Janki Chatti. Horses or palanquins are available for rent. The hike from Hanuman Chatti to Yamunotri takes in views of a number of waterfalls. Number 6. The Tunganath temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Created by Pandavas, heroes of Mahabharata epic. Tunganath is one of the highest Shiva temples in the world, and is the highest of the 5 Panch Kedar temples located in the mountain range of Tunganath. The Tunganath literal, meaning, Lord of the Peaks, mountains, which form the Mandakini and Alaknanda river valleys. Number 7. Nilkant Mahadev temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. The temple is one of the most revered holy shrines dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is surrounded by dense forests, and is adjacent to the mountain ranges of Nar Narayan. According to Hindus, the place where the Nilkant Mahadev temple currently stands, is the sacred location, where Shiva consumed the poison, that originated from the sea when Devas, gods and Asuras demons churned the ocean in order to obtain Amrita. Number 8. The Dhari Devi temple is dedicated to goddess Dhari. The temple located on the banks of the Alaknanda river between Srinagar and Rudraprayag in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand, India. The temple is home to the upper half of the idol of the goddess Dhari, while the lower half of the idol is located in Kalimath, where she is worshipped as a manifestation of the goddess Kali. She is considered to be the guardian deity of Uttarakhand and is revered as the protector of the Chardhams. Number 9. The Chitai Golu Devta temple is dedicated to Golu or Golju, Devta, an avatar incarnation of Lord Shiva in the form of Gaur Bhairav. Although there are many temples of Golu Devta in Almora, but the Chitai Golu Devta temple is the most sacred one. It is reputed to make every wish come true, provided the worshipper ask for it with a clear conscience. The temple is situated at 9 km from Almora. Number 10. Nanda Devi Sacred Temple of Uttarakhand, an incarnation of the Hindu goddess Durga. This holy shrine is located in the heart of Almora city. Many Hindu pilgrims religiously visit this temple as Nanda Devi is considered to be the destroyer of evil and the savior of the denizens of Kumaon as well as other regions of Uttarakhand. Thank you for watching our video. We will also be making more video on our Uttarakhand culture. For more update, please do like, share, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.